Once upon a time, there lived a rabbit who was very arrogant of his speed. He could run like the wind and always boasted about it. Every time he saw a tortoise, he laughed and taunted. "Look at you. You move so sluggishly. Do you ever reach anywhere on time?" The tortoise stayed quiet for many days, but eventually, he had had enough. He looked up at the rabbit and said calmly, "You may be swift, but I challenge you to a race." The rabbit couldn't believe his ears. He laughed and laughed. "You? Race with me? That's the funniest thing I've ever heard. But sure, let's race." They agreed to race the next morning, from one side of the hill to the other. The sun rose, the birds chirped, and the race began. The rabbit ran off like lightning. In a few seconds, he was far ahead. He glanced back and saw the tortoise crawling slowly, far behind. "Ha! This is too easy," he said smugly. Then the rabbit saw a shady tree and thought, "I'll take a rabbit nap. The tortoise will take forever to get here anyway." So he lay down and quickly fell asleep. Meanwhile, the tortoise didn't stop. He moved slowly, step by step, little by little, but he never gave up. He kept moving forward with patience and focus. As time passed, the tortoise got closer and closer to the finish line. Suddenly, the rabbit woke up. He yawned, stretched, and looked around. "Where's that slowpoke tortoise?" he asked, smiling, thinking he still had plenty of time. But when he looked towards the finish line, his smile vanished. The tortoise was just about to cross it. The rabbit jumped up and ran faster than ever. But it was too late. The tortoise had already won the race. Everyone cheered for the tortoise. The rabbit felt embarrassed and sad. The tortoise looked at the rabbit and said kindly, "You may be fast, but being proud and lazy won't help. I may be slow, but I never stopped. Slow and steady wins the race. Perseverance and patience are mightier than speed and pride."